Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming purity and doing a patch test so you avoid allergic reactions. This is why that step matters. Once cleared, measure 0.5 to 1 teaspoon and optionally mix 1 part castor oil with 1 part carrier oil to reduce thickness. Warm the bottle in a bowl of hot water for a few minutes to improve flow. Apply with a cotton pad or your fingertips to the clean area, using gentle pressure so the oil spreads evenly and starts to penetrate the skin. You now perform the core treatment. Massage the oil in slow, circular motions for 3 to 5 minutes to increase blood flow and help active components reach tissues. Once done, make sure to cover the area with plastic wrap or a warm cloth and apply gentle heat for 20 to 40 minutes to enhance penetration. A heating pad on low works well. For scalp or targeted skin issues, repeat 2 to 3 times per week. For lashes and brows, a nightly thin application yields consistent results over weeks. You finish by gently removing excess oil with a mild cleanser and warm water. Then pat the skin dry and apply a light moisturizer if needed, because castor can be drying after prolonged exposure. Store the bottle upright in a cool, dark place to preserve potency and check the scent before each use. If irritation, redness, or burning develops, stop immediately, rinse thoroughly with water, apply a cold compress, and if symptoms persist or worsen, consult a healthcare professional. This step protects you from adverse reactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.